Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock for soup. First, select your main ingredients: bones, such as chicken or beef, and a mix of aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. You'll also need a large pot, ideally 8 quarts or more, to accommodate everything comfortably. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are key to a flavorful stock, so choose wisely. Once your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with cold water, ensuring at least 1 inch of water above the solids. Slowly bring the pot to a gentle simmer. Avoid a rapid boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. As it heats, you'll notice foam rising to the surface. Skim this off periodically to keep your stock clear and clean-tasting. To further enhance the flavor, incorporate aromatics and herbs. During the last hour of simmering, add bay leaves, parsley stems, and a few whole peppercorns. These additions will infuse your stock with a wonderful aroma and depth. Remember to hold off on adding salt at this stage. It's best to season your soup later, after the stock has reduced. After simmering for several hours, your stock is ready. Carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months, ensuring you always have a delicious base for your soups.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.